respected Pro Vice Chancellor, Deans and Professors, respected Professor Jacob, elders, brothers and sisters. This day is very special to me. As Vice Chancellor, I am halfway out or halfway in waiting. 4 years term, 2 years over, 2 more years. 730 days over, another 730 days for my image. All the time I was dreaming and trying to act, and I was trying to pull all of you along. All that you have seen over here in 129 slides, along with 2 videos, I remember you have shown the videos on the digital campus and the water campus, form a part of what we say the accomplishments of 730 days. I am sure the credit goes to this community, the whole Calicut University family. I know the number. When I was here, I was not aware of my family. Now I know the clear numbers about the size of my family, the structure of my family, the functional dimensions of my family, every aspect of my family. You know, I have here about 2,500 postgraduate students. My wish is the number to double in 2 years' time. I have 2,200 staff, of which 165 are faculty and the rest are supported. That's within the campus. I have a budget of 250 to 300 crores. We say 250, around 250 crores. The finance we know. The manpower no. We have a campus, the largest owner over here, 550 acres. So 650 minus 100, 550 with us. So there, all the time I was thinking, I was taking advice. Now we set a goal. In another 2 years, that should be an extended botanic garden in another 2 years' time. So what we are looking? We are looking for transforming this university family to a family comparable to any other best university. Or at least we set a target. Yes, we know where to go. Set the goal, whether I am going to Delhi or Trivandrum. We know the goal. What are our goals? Set the goal, accelerate the engine, gear it up, change the gear, 1, 2, 3, go, and kick the final goal. That's the agenda for a change, a total change. First of all, we should do, which are all the parameters or components that need change. You look at the stakeholders, this group, the students, they are the number of stakeholders. I always consider this as a family. I consider myself as the father of the family. I consider these people as my children of the family, and my budget and my attention, the primary focus is to the students. That's our change of mind. The stakeholder, the primary stakeholder is the student. So all the programs should converge to benefit the student. All the rest of the people, the faculty, the supporting staff, the rest of the people are just supporters. That's the change in the strategy, change in the vision. The second major change I was looking for is to transform the university to a academic campus. Get rid of the politics. You have keep politics, keep religion, keep thoughts, everything. Let it be there. In the campus, we are working for creating an academic campus, a research campus, a service campus, a campus that can generate knowledge, that can create knowledge and disseminate knowledge. That should be our vision. Now I said change to the better, change to reach the topmost level of the university, setting a focus. I know about the numbers. I know the affiliated colleges. I know the number of students in the affiliated colleges. I know the number of teachers in the affiliated colleges. I know, you know, we know which are our strengths, which are our weaknesses, where we have to mitigate the deficiencies, which are all the areas to be attended. You and all of us, every one of us should know what are all our strengths, our weaknesses and our objectives, and we must work together. Remember, I was struggling because by default I have certain problems. People always tell me, I have certain default problems. Problems in terms of achievement motivated problems. I was all the time an achievement monger, looking for achievements. When I set some goal, I am committed to that. I want you people also to join along with me to achieve the goal. The achievement of this goal is not the goal for me, it is the goal for you and to the community. Then why again this meeting? I was taking a stock of things done in 730 days. A brief gist you have seen. Under 730 days, what to do? One person was asking me, what is your agenda for the next 2 years? I was having some agenda with me, but all these were scattered in my mind and in my scribblings here and there. But last 2 days, when I realized that 12th I am completing 2 years, I just started consolidating my thoughts. And I have brought the gist of my thoughts, my agenda for 2 years. That I can classify into 5 or 6 major heads. My thoughts towards promotion of education, thoughts towards promotion of research, thoughts towards promotion of administration, thoughts towards promotion of infrastructure, community services and other related services of the university. That I have just, yesterday night only I finished all the typing and all these things. I have not segregated, I will be putting in separate boxes. Later I will come back with more clear thoughts.